All right, our broadcast has started. Question 1.
True.
I completed the individual preparation assignment before attending the root meeting. True. True. Question 2. I actively participated in this week's group meeting. Well, I answered these two questions, so yeah, I'd say true. I have actively participated. I've done my job. And then question 3. The correlation coefficient is used to quantify I got the direction and strength of the linear relationship.
C.
Yes, because that is what the textbook says. So I'm going to go with the textbook answer.
Sweet. Question 4. If the correlation coefficient is negative, did you guys get A?
A.
Yep.
Sweet.
Negative, the other variable tends to.
There he is.
Hey, man.
Sorry, I'm late.
Good. We just got started.
Sweet.
So question 1 and 2 are both true. In case you didn't know.
Case,
Thank you.
worried.
You have the quiz. Bye, Amy. Bye, Tristan.
I do now.
Okay.
Only 10 questions. That's nice.
It's a very easy one. Yep.
Yeah, it's a really
Question 3 is C, because that's what the textbook says.
4 is A.
4 is A.
That's what Eric says.
Which is what the textbook says.
Is 5 false?
5 is
It's
false.
false.
Moving quickly now.
6 is 0.901.
Christy Craig. Wait, what'd you say, Chris?
0.901 for 6.
Yep.
Really easy. It's just whatever R is when you plug in the.
And then it's positive and strong, right?
Yep.
It should be like either 1 or 2, right?
1.
Okay, sweet.
For the first one, for 0. R equals 0. Yeah,
Oh, okay. R equals 0 is 3, right?
it's 1.
Oh, it's 1?
Should go 4, 3, 5, 2, 6, 1.
Wait a sec.
R equals 0 is not 4.
Oh, they're all mixed
I
up.
think all of ours are different.
They're all
It's
mixed
like,
up.
you guys are crazy.
Ah, dang it. That's okay. Yeah.
Okay, so the one that looks like really mixed up, R equals 0, should be
Yes.
the one that's really mixed up, right?
Yeah.
Then
Yes.
R equals negative 0.95 is the one that has a really strong
To the left.
down.
Regression, yeah.
But it's not totally linear, but it's a group close together.
Yeah, -1 is like to the left, pointed upward, and then 1 is the opposite way.
-1 should be pointing down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
down into the right. You got
Yeah.
that mixed up.
And 1 should be pointing up, and it should be perfectly linear.
Mhm.
The only time it's been mixed up
9
is
and 2.
this.
I know. Screw them. Come on.
Trying to. I thought I looked and I was like, oh no, it's the same again. Cool. Apparently not.
Your guys' are different.
Yeah.
Okay. What'd you get for 9, Chris?
0.728.
Which is is that weak? How do we know if it's weak or not? I know it's positive.
Not weak because it's still, I think if it was around 5, we could call it weak.
Yeah,
but
I'm
it's
just
still,
wondering if
If it's
exactly
under
5, do you call it weak or strong, or is both just correct? I don't know.
so it's 7. So I still called it strong. I got it right.
Yeah.
So did you?
Yeah, you're right. No, I'm definitely agreeing with you on that. I'm just wondering when it's right around the line, how do you decide? But
Yeah.
I guess we'll cross that bridge when we come to it.
So
We got all of them right, everyone.
wait. For 9, did we
0.728.
use the female scores or the male scores or all of them?
You just do. It's not between male or female, and you like even if you try it, you can't get it.
So you just use all the
for
scores,
correlation or
I
whatever.
just used all the scores.
and
So
then
yeah, you just do the scores and the confidence rating.
so the score goes right.
So
I
you
just
do
put them both in the box.
Yeah, in Excel you can do equals Corel, Correl, and then you just select all of the scores, and then you select all of the confidence ratings, and that will give you your number.
Did I read something wrong? Hold on. Isn't it just R?
Do we know if the next test is cumulative or not?
It is.
Sweet.
She said all the
Oh,
tests are,
cumulative. That's right. I forgot.
she said all the tests are cumulative. And she said the last test is like a final, so it'll include it from day 1 all the way up till the end.
How did you guys do on the last test? Just the most previous
I
one.
got an 87.
Did
Yeah,
we put
right
positive and
around
strong
there.
for
High B.
10 or positive and weak?
How'd you do, Eric? Oh, it's
High
positive.
B. I think 88.
Sweet.
Positive and weak?
Yeah. No, positive and strong. Positive and strong.
Okay, cool.
How'd you do, Zach?
0.72.
I got 91. Keeping with my average. Can't get above or below. Me and Scott, we're consistent.
We
We're
are- yeah.
precise.
If anything, I am consistent.
So just in case we have to all submit the describe the data, I'll just send it all to you guys before Saturday.
Okay.
Sound good?
You guys all submitted the collect the data by now, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Sweet.
Well,
Yeah,
email.
it wouldn't let me submit it. I had to send her it as an email attachment.
Yeah, so I emailed her about it right after I submitted it, but then she didn't email me back until when did I email you, Scott?
Today?
No, yesterday.
Oh, yes.
She didn't email me back until yesterday, so I didn't know that we all had to submit it.
You're fine. Yeah.
So
We didn't have to submit. All of us didn't have to submit the other one, the